Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Tell you what, we're doing some poor man's ribeyes, some chuck-eye steaks, as I like to call them. But tell you what, today is, as I'm filming, is Derby Day. As you know, I live in Louisville, Kentucky, and Derby Day is a big deal. The Kentucky Derby is actually playing on TV right now. The Derby is the very next race, and I'm down, guys. So I needed a win. So I can't think of anything better than a set of steaks. Quick cook, I can get it done, get back in and watch the Derby, and hopefully finally win some money today. But let me show you what we're doing. Alright guys, we got, hope you can see those. They're two chuck-eye steaks, also known as poor man's ribeye. And they're poor man's ribeyes tonight because I'm 11 races into this Kentucky Derby Day, and I'm down. I'm down significantly. So we're cooking poor man's ribeyes, and hopefully we can win this next race and cover our losses, and everything will be all good. So they are good looking. I left the binders, our butcher's twine, on just to hold these things together. Not using any binder at all. I don't know if I said, they're roughly about 12 ounces each, which is nice size steaks. And I'm just gonna come in here with some of this Grillaholics, the SPG plus butter. I have a link below, save you 20%, guys. Check out my friends at Grillaholics. And that's all we're gonna use. Just gonna season them up really good. They're pretty thick, so I can go a little liberal on it. Tell you what, that butter flavor just really stands out. Pretty thick steak, so we're gonna go indirect for a little bit and get in a little smoke action too. I believe I pulled out some mesquite wood. Gonna season all sides here. Get this turned over too. When that charcoal comes up, we're gonna get her dumped. Get these steaks on. Alright, I think we're close enough. Pretty warm out here today. That makes it even warmer. Bring this up to temp. Alright guys, this shouldn't take that long. I'm gonna come in and put these away from the heat. Cook these indirect for a little bit. Hey guys, I'm gonna come in here. I'm out of large chunks of my mesquite wood, so I got a handful of smaller pieces. See if we can't generate some smoke on these steaks. We'll check back here shortly. Okay, we've been about 7 or 8 minutes. That's about it. And I'm just gonna turn these over for some even cooking. I'm gonna come back in a few minutes and I'll check some temperatures before going direct. Got some great mesquite wood smoke going on this, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna check these temps here. We're not done. Oh yeah, we're definitely ready to put these over direct heat. Definitely. Alright, I'm gonna give these a turn. And then, here we go, direct. For about 3 to 4 minutes apiece. Check back in a few. Alright guys, give this thing a flip here. Oh, it looks good, looks good, looks good. Alright guys, about 3 or 4 more minutes and we're gonna pull these things. Alright guys, race is about to start, so hopefully, oh yeah, we're there. 130, I'm going with that. 140, that's good medium right there, guys. Let me get these off of here. I'm gonna go in and let these rest while I watch the Kentucky Derby. And the next time I talk to you, I should be able to, wow, what's that? I should be able to tell you what's going on with the race. If you don't, you'll know by now, by the way. Alright guys, just look at that. That is a beautiful, beautiful cut of meat. I'm going to see if I can pull that string off rather than cut it. Success. And let's see how we did. Look at that beautiful Nakano knife I got from Nakano Knives. Link below with the promo code. I believe it's 20% off you'll get off. I'm just going to cut this guy right down the middle, see how we did. Like butter. I don't know if you can see that in this lighting. I don't have the best lighting. We're a good medium on that. Which is, I'll be honest, that's about where I was going. I'm not sure how well that shows up on camera, but that is beautiful, quite juicy. I cannot wait to get a bite of that. Alright guys, that is beautiful. Cannot wait to bite into that. We're going to get a little bit of that fat in there. I got a good whiff of some mesquite wood on there. Alright. Very tender. Oh my god. I'm just kind of pulled apart in my mouth. That's not a real ribeye. That's a poor man's ribeye. That is a chuck-eye steak. Porter Road makes them excellent 14-day dry age. Again, link below. Link below for some good Porter Road. Tell you what, guys. Take a drink. For the record, while this steak was resting, they ran the Kentucky Derby. I'm sure you know by now that the Mage won. That was not my horse. On the day, I'm down. I did hit in the 11th race and brought me back up a little, but I'm down. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching. It's still a great day. I love horse racing. We all love horse racing here in Louisville, Kentucky. And the Kentucky Derby is just a special day for us. So that's why I did a fast cook here for you. Although it went a little bit longer than what I anticipated, but that's okay. Guys, thank you so much. Please hit that like button. Helps us out a lot. Subscribe to us if you have not already. And hit that bell notification to let you know every time I post a new video. So guys, until the next cook, God bless you. Bye-bye. I'll go back in and finish some of this. Tell you what.